Okay, welcome back, viewers. Another video on the 1992 F350 flatbed. Left off in the last video. I was changing the exhaust manifold, and well, as you can see there, I got it off, but two of the studs broke off up inside the bolt holes in the head. They're a little too deep for me to weld, so I'm gonna have to pull the head off. Not looking forward to that. So as you can tell, I'm taking stuff off to get down to that point. Yeah, all the short bolts surprisingly came out, but two of the long bolts just broke off. I don't know where they're at. But anyway, that's where I'm at with this project. Sucks. Didn't really want to have to get into all that. And on top of that, I noticed this side is missing a bolt hole. A bolt in the back of the manifold, so I'm sure that's broke off. I haven't checked it yet, but I just noticed it was missing a little while ago. Yeah, but the good news is, you know, a lot of this stuff will get... There's been some pretty bad oil leaks in the back. I'm sure the PCV valve in the back here, way down in the lower intake, I'm sure it's leaking. Probably no good. Hose is probably brittle. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. Working on this. And then found some other little odds and ends, like we got a hose getting ready to let go here. So just a lot of little stuff, oil leaks, stuff like that. The engine run good once I got the misfire fixed. And that was with the old spark plugs in it, which appeared to be original. This truck's fairly clean, except for all the stuff I got in it. But anyway, now it's got a digital odometer, so I think he said it's got 140,000 or 114,000, something like that, miles on it. So anyway, it's got good tires on it. Yeah, so I'm trying to cool it somewhat now and getting ready to remove more stuff. All right, guys, well, I'm going to keep the videos in this series of working on this truck. I'm going to keep these videos short, just give you progress updates on them. So if you're enjoying this content on this particular make, model truck, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so that you get notified when I post another video on it. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down in the comments below. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.